Okay, thirdly, ne also functions as a preposition. We know that a preposition is a word, usually in English it comes before a noun or a pronoun. It's also the same thing that happens in Chichewa. Chichewa prepositions usually come before a noun or a pronoun to show the relationship between the verb and the noun or the pronoun which it precedes. So, for example, ndabwera ndi mnzanga. Ndabwera ndi mnzanga. Meaning, I have come, literally, with my friend. So, you can see my friend in Chichewa is just one word, mnzanga, which in Chichewa is a noun. So, ne is coming before the noun and is functioning as a preposition to show the relationship between the action of coming and to show that this action of coming has not just been done by me, but it has been done together with someone else. Iye alinde ndalama zambiri. This sentence literally means iye is, you can say, it refers to he or she, depending on the person that you are referring to. It's a pronoun. It's a personal pronoun. You can refer to a he or a she, depending on the context. Ali, so if it's he has, he has or she has. Literally, me in this case also means with. She has with money a lot. So it means she has a lot of money. Now, it's like she, so the word with, which comes before the noun money, in Chichewa, the sentence carries the meaning that she has a lot of money. But when you are writing it, you have to show that the ne must come before the noun money. So, iye alinde ndalama zambiri, meaning he or she has a lot of money. So, the ne here functions as a preposition coming before a noun.